April Foolish Marketing. Hey, it's Isabella here, and welcome to my video. I want to thank you for your time. You could have picked any other video to watch, but you've picked mine, and I am truly grateful. I want to talk to you about April Foolish Marketing. Tell me if you haven't seen or maybe done this yourself. You go on Facebook and you join groups and wait to get accepted. Then you post a meme or two with your company's link, and you do it over and over in each of the groups that you joined. And your friend requests 30 or 50 people a day, and then without introducing yourself or so much as a conversation, you send them your link on Facebook Messenger. Have you had people do this to you? And what do you feel like doing? Yes, that's right, you want to delete and block them. This is foolish marketing. Nobody will want to join your business this way. You're not getting anywhere with trying to market like this. And people start to get mean about it, say mean things, and then shut you out. You are desperate to get your 6 people so you can sit back and enjoy the easy life that was promised to you when you first joined your business. Now you don't know what you're doing and you're losing options fast. What if you didn't have to do that? What if you knew the right way to market, then you didn't get rejected? What if people start to actually ask you what you're doing? And what if you knew what to post, when to post, and where to post? Now this may sound crazy, but what if you actually had a calendar that shows you exactly to do just that, to grow and build your business? Would that make things easier for you? This formula is something that I got my hands on a while back, and it has worked like a charm ever since. If you're interested in the formula, and if this is something you'd like to get your hands on, then like and comment below Facebook formula, and I will get that right out to you. Once again, this is Isabella signing off and reminding you to wear comfortable shoes. God bless.